day 2 here at CONEXPO in Las Vegas. We're in the Takeuchi booth today with Tim, the product manager for excavators. So I'm going to let you talk about the new 3150. Tim?
All right, great, appreciate it. Yeah, we're standing in front of the 3150R. This is a replacement, an evolution, if you will, of the 2150R. So we've taken a great base machine, a machine that's been in service for a long time, a lot of happy end users, and we've just improved it with some refinements, some creature comforts. But one major difference, we've gone from the Deutz engine to the Yanmar engine. So, and in doing so, we've actually had to change some hydraulic systems. So you lose a gear pump that's no longer driving the cooling fan. That is a bimetal clutch engagement fan that's being driven off the engine. And we end up with a 14% gain in hydraulic horsepower. So the engine change is a big one. It's also an updated 3 Series cab design. We're really excited about this. Operator comfort. You have a comfortable operator, you have a more efficient and a more productive operator. So new monitor, Bluetooth connectivity, all the things you would expect from a major OEM cab, air ride seat, very comfortable environment for someone to work in 8-10 hours a day. So those are the two big main changes. But we also improved the rubber track design. So our standard option with the rubber track, they've changed the cord pattern internally, and so it's actually a stronger and lighter design. We're really proud of that. And there's also a hose retention collar to reduce wear and tear on any of the hoses. So these are really just sort of refinements of an excellent machine. We're super excited about it. Hope to see it about mid-year. Fixed boom design. We will have a swing boom option available towards the end of the year. So this is a great replacement for a really veteran machine in our lineup, and we're super excited to have it out.